Hello everybody, it's TMOG 217. Welcome to a LEGO brickheadz set review. Taking a look at set number 41601, Cyborg. This contains 108 pieces, released in 2018, and retailed for $9.99 USD, $12.99 Canadian, and €9.99 Euros. This is part of the DC Justice League collection. That was part of the Justice League movie that released that year. And this is brickheadz number 24, a part of Series 2. So, with that information out of the way, let's crack this open and get it built up. So here we have Cyborg all built up now. My goodness, he looks pretty cool. Definitely looks like Cyborg. He doesn't have the traditional brickheadz arms. He has one arm on the left, and then his right arm is actually a cannon. So that's pretty cool. He's got a little cannon for an arm, and I think that they captured that pretty well. He does have some printed pieces in this set, mainly in the chest area. You have a 1x2 and a 1x4, I think it is, right there, as well as you have a printed piece for the stand. Now, this is how that stand works. Typical old-fashioned brickheadz stand with a printed thing that says Series 2, and you just place them on like that. The build is not too complex, like any brickheadz is. They definitely, again, capture the look of Cyborg pretty well. However, I can't see them re-releasing another one of Cyborg, so just because this looks like every iconic Cyborg, honestly. But yeah, good mixture of humanoid and robotic form, Printed pieces do help, but yeah, not much else to say about this. So let's move on to what else is included in this set. Taking a quick look at the instructions, you do have the box art sideways on the instructions. Looks alright, but turning it to right side up, typical brickheadz building instructions as you can see here, and flipping all the way to the back, you can see advertisements for other Justice League themed brickheadz on both sides of the paper, as well as the parts listing, and then the win at the back. In terms of extra parts, this is what I got in my copy of the set. Overall, this is a pretty interesting brickheadz. Not my go-to favorite character to have in brickheadz form, but it makes sense because, you know, Justice League movie lineup kind of makes sense why they would release it, but I don't know. I can't see this one being very popular even today. I don't know. I'm just not personally a Cyborg fan, and it looks kind of generic. Like, I don't know. I can't see how they could improve it. I don't see what is wrong with it. It just isn't that appealing to me personally. But I'd say pick it up if you're a brickheadz completionist, or if you are a fan of Cyborg, or if you're just a fan of the Justice League movie. So, yeah, those are more or less my thoughts. Let me know yours in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this review, consider leaving a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, hit that bell notification, it'd be very much appreciated. And yeah, again, thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll see you all in a future video. Till then, see you later.